Good morning and welcome to this Thursday, April 9th of 2020. Thank you all for coming back to another video, to completing your work and sending it over to me. I really appreciate all the work that you guys have done during these difficult times. So today will be our last day for the weekend for me to send you guys work and for you guys to complete it. Tomorrow you have a day off, so no work tomorrow, and Monday you have a day off, so no work on Monday. Expect your next work to come out until Tuesday. All right. Now I know there's a lot of questions because today we actually finish up the packet. Today's our last day with the packet that I gave you guys. It was 2 weeks worth of lessons, and 2 weeks have already gone by really quickly. So the question is, what's going to happen next? Well, we're still going to be doing these videos. I'm still going to send you videos, but with a different packet. I will be sending out the packet, and you guys will be picking it up at school. I'll give you guys more information as soon as Mr. Breer gives me more information, but you will have another packet for you to complete at home, okay? You're still going to watch the videos, and you're still going to complete the work, but I do ask that you wait for now to complete this packet. All right. So let's go ahead and get started with today. Before we get started, let's go ahead and finish up our do now from yesterday. Yesterday, I asked you to choose a ball. Today, we see who wins. Oh, sorry. So we last left off right here with yellow in first, red and now first. Oh, and now yellow again. And green overtakes first, but yellow is a close second. Now orange climbs up to third. Green is still in first. Oh, orange comes up to second, and orange takes over to first with a commanding lead. Green is right behind orange. Red is right behind green. But orange takes it at the finish line. So, if you chose orange, you were correct. And those who chose orange, I believe, were, let's see, Charlene, Jose, Rodrigo Rodriguez, and Gustavo. Congratulations on choosing orange. You guys were correct. All right, so today, very shortly, we're just going to be doing our weekly check. So remember to do your best. Make sure you show all your work. Make sure you take pictures of it and send it over to me. As part of your weekly check, you guys will complete pages 78 to 84, which is your weekly check. And then you're going to complete the passage Energy Transformations in page 85, all the way to the end of the packet. So first of all, your weekly check, pages 78 to 84, and then you complete the passage called Energy Transformations, which is in page 85. Make sure you read the passage carefully, complete all the questions, and after that, you are done. Enjoy your 4-day weekend, your Easter Sunday, your Good Friday, and we'll see you guys again on Tuesday. And stay posted on the text messaging so I can send you instructions on how to pick up your next packet and when. All right? If you have any questions, feel free to text me or call me at my number. Thank you so much and have a great day.